Erissery is one of those dishes that makes you feel like a pro in the kitchen, even if you're not. It's simple yet sophisticated and packed with the kind of flavors that turn heads at the dinner table. So, what's in it? Erissery is a traditional Kerala curry made with a base of pumpkin or raw banana, coconut, and a few basic spices. The combination is creamy, mildly sweet, and beautifully balanced with earthy aromatic seasonings. Here's the catch, though. Choosing the right pumpkin is key. You want one that's ripe but firm, none of that overly mushy stuff. Trust me, a good pumpkin makes all the difference. You could substitute raw bananas, but we'll focus on pumpkin today. First step, peel and chop your pumpkin into small cubes. Pro tip, take the time to chop them evenly. Nobody likes half mushy, half raw bites. Aim for 3/4-inch cubes, just right for cooking evenly and absorbing flavor. Then, you'll need grated coconut, cumin seeds, and green chilies. Blend these into a coarse paste. Don't overdo it. You want a little texture to it, not a smoothie. A teaspoon of water will help loosen the mix. Cook the pumpkin cubes in a pan with just enough water to cover them. Add turmeric and salt. Cover it up and let simmer. This is where your house starts smelling like family gatherings. It takes about 10 minutes. Once the pumpkin is soft, mash a few pieces lightly. Don't go overboard, just enough to thicken the dish slightly. Stir in your coconut paste. Lower the flame and let it cook gently for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now comes the part I absolutely love: tempering. Heat coconut oil in a small skillet. Add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and red chilies. As they splutter and sizzle, the room gets hit with that heavenly aroma. Pour the tempering into the erissery and gently mix it in. This is the finishing touch that pulls the whole dish together. It's like putting the final flourish on a painting. Gorgeous and flavorful. Serve it hot as part of a Kerala-style sadhya, or, honestly, just with a bowl of steamed rice. Either way, it's a massive win. If you nailed the balance of sweet and spice, you'll know as soon as you taste it. Pain point alert. Many people accidentally overcook the pumpkin. Don't. Keep an eye on it. There's nothing worse than turning your hard work into baby food consistency. Less is more when it comes to cooking time. And hey, if cooking in Malayalam style is your thing, Erissery is just the beginning. Master this dish, and it's an open door to more recipes that'll have people thinking you've secretly got a grandma in Kerala.